Hi guys, I wanted to show you how you can request a meeting if you have a question on some homework or you want to get some clarification on how to access different homework options. You're going to go into Google and hopefully you're already logged into your school Gmail account, so you've got your right Google open, and then you're going to click on the little grid up in the upper right hand corner that looks like little four little, or I guess 9 little dots, and then you're going to click calendar. So you're going to open up your calendar and your calendar will open up and it should see, you should see all the little days. Let's just say that we're on the 23rd now. So if I want to click a meeting on this day, I'm going to go up in the upper left, I'm going to click create. And then I'm going to request a person. So I guess I could just call this a meeting. So I just call this a meeting. And then when I say add guests, this is where you can type my name. So my name is going to be T Mason at lchsyes.org. So that's me. So T Mason at lchsyes.org. And then you're going to pick a time. So let's say my office hours are between 10 and 1, so that would be the ideal time frame. I would be fine if it was anytime during school hours, so if it's anytime between 8 and 3, it's fine with me. So let's say you want to make a meeting with me at 2:30 today. So you would click 2:30, and then you would click save, and then it will actually prompt you whether they should send me an email to invite me, and then you'll say yes, and then I will get an email notification, and then if I accept, then we would just go meet onto Google Meet at that time. So Google Meet you can access by going up to the little same grid, and then you just click meet, and then the meet button comes up, and then you just go ahead and join the meeting. So hopefully that would be a way that you can request a meeting with me. And if I can't do it, I'll probably just suggest a different time if I already have a meeting at a different time. So please use that as a tool if you have any questions. It's a real quick way to ask me and I can help you out right away, and then you can kind of get on with your day. Hope you're having a good one. Bye.